Hey guys, random video I'm making. This is if you have this problem where you accidentally blow out your steering wheel lights. Like they work fine, but the LEDs don't, or L lights or LEDs don't work anymore. So first thing you have to do is take off this, take all that off. Take off the two 7mm bolts that are on the bottom, one right here, and then there's one over there. And then you have to take it, this metal thing right there off, and that's all held on by 2 or 4 10mm. I'd say get a deep socket because I don't have a deep socket and it's kind of annoying. So 4 10mm nuts, they go right there. You see the studs right there, one there and one there. You take that off, and I don't know if this is just for me, but for some reason the guy I was reading on the forums, he had to cut his out and solder it. But it looks, I don't know if this is genuine GM, but this is where my fuse box was for the lights, and I didn't know this, and I got the wrong freaking fuse. But yeah, it's a big 2 amp, one of the, like just a regular fuse. I think it's not a mini, but yeah, as you can tell, I blew mine. So if you don't know if you can tell right there, see, you can see right there. But yeah, so that's how you do it. And I don't know, because I freaking bought, where is it at? One of these, because the guy was saying that you had to solder it, and people just got this, and so I'm not sure if like what happened, but yeah. Which I don't really want to cut the wire because that's already like professionally done. So if yours, I would say just to buy one of these just in case, because mine wasn't like that. Mine, I don't know if this came factory, but that's what it is. So yeah, that's for the lights, and now I have to go to the store and buy one, so it kind of sucks. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's a crazy video for, yeah, so I'm gonna go do that, but hopefully this helped you guys. So yeah, we'll get that going, and voila, all my lights are out, so I really can't show you much, but this is pretty much the only light that did work, the mileage. But yeah, so that was not working, and I'm getting these all replaced. So, but yeah, as you can tell, it works now. So as long as you put a fuse in there, the lights will work. So yeah, it's kind of lame, but oh, watch, look, focus, right there's gone, right there, that's the light. But anyways, yeah, replace that fuse and your lights will work again, so that's good.